With Trace's passion for baking
and Trevor's passion for classic cars, we both decided to quit our day jobs and buy a 60-year-old van and convert it into a mobile cake and coffee van.
Please subscribe and follow us on our journey while we trade at markets, fairs and events, alongside our regular pitch at a local farm shop.
And we'll also show you a bit of what we do in between trading. We're both feeling a bit rough today after being out in the cold for 3 days. I think it's taken its toll, so we thought as it's Valentine's Day we'd go to Cirencester and have some lunch and be in the warm for once.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it?
What are you gonna have? You have to say it with a French accent in here.
While wishing for something better, I try to fix things that weren't broken.
You feeling a little bit better now, Trace?
And words unspoken.
We're trying to recharge the batteries, aren't we? After standing out in the freezing cold.
Do you?
You're right for ketchup there, Trace. I can't seem to find mine.
What you have in front of you, or maybe I'm not enough.
Tartan.
Maybe I should go. If I had known from
We opted out of the chantilly cream and went for the vanilla ice cream instead. Are you feeling better now, Trace? Are you feeling any better now?
Less than I got pudding.
If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No. I don't wanna waste my time.
We're home now. We're just getting the fire going. We're gonna have a warm up and we're gonna have some toast and marmalade by the fire. Daisy, getting warm by the fire.
Is that nice? She likes to stroke me as well at the same time, don't you? Eh? You like to stroke with Dad, don't you?
An affectionate.
Yes. Pussycat. Daisy, you're on fire, Nelly. Somebody's happy anyway. You happy, Daisy? You happy? Yeah? It's Friday. We were supposed to be working today, however Storm Eunice had different ideas and we've had to take the day off. I think I've said before about how difficult it is to work in the wind, and 70-mile-an-hour winds are certainly totally unacceptable, pretty dangerous really. A bit worried about the side door getting ripped off or something, catching the wind like a sail. So yeah, we've decided to concede and not open up. So hopefully, just hold on to the camera, hopefully tomorrow will be a lot less windy, although it is forecast still for quite strong winds. Hopefully it'll have dropped off enough. It's calmed right down now compared to what it was like a couple of hours ago, and the rain stopped as well, so hopefully we'll have a better day tomorrow. And this, ladies and gents, is why we didn't come in yesterday. There's a lot of the roofing had actually fallen inside the barn and it was all scattered over everything. It's been tidied up now, but it's a shame because Chris has gone to a lot of trouble to gravel the inside of the barn last week. Now the roof's damaged. We're all out of sync because it's a Saturday and people are rolling up and we haven't even done what's on the counter this weekend, Trace. So we'll do it in a second. Somebody else has come now. Tracy frantically restocking the counter.
Okay. It's so good now because half of it's gone.
I'll have to do it in a minute.
Yeah, oh,
Here comes the rain now. Good morning! You brought the rain with you.
Oh, you want me to break the camera, do you?
So, what's on the cake counter this weekend, Birdie?
It doesn't look so nice now, but it's Rolo cheesecake.
Rolo cheesecake. I won't get too close.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone could wear a blindfold.
It does look a bit of a pickle actually.
It's all the toffee sauce, but it'll taste amazing.
But it's flown off the shelves, considering we've only been here, I don't know, not half hour or so.
These have just restocked because they've sold really well already. They're s'mores cupcakes, so they've got like a biscuit in the centre, and I think if you warmed them up, they would be amazing.
Wow.
I need to try one warmed up.
Those marshmallows look expertly toasted on the top. I wonder who done those.
I wonder. Okay, almond croissants, double chocolate brownies, cinnamon buns. Can't you see those?
Oh yeah, we bought some of these tulip cases. We thought they looked really smart. Put the brioche in. So they look really nice, don't they?
Yeah. Nice.
And we bake those. We bake them in those.
Millionaires.
Millionaires.
This is my favourite, I think. It's really, really nice. Lemon and blueberry. I may have had a piece yesterday when we had a day at home.
Love you than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street.
Not a very nice day. Very wet now as well. Wet and windy. And the power's just gone out in Haley's shop. So I'm toying with the idea of bringing the sign in because the sign's outside rocking. I put a great big lump of concrete on it earlier to try and hold it down.
But the cheesecake's gone down well.
Well done, Trace. It's pretty windy. Just got the sign in and we're just packing up, finish up our day. You ready to go home, Trace?
I'm ready to not so bad now though. It was really windy and cold earlier, but it's actually got a little bit better now. It's almost tropical.
Show the limits with you right now.
Hello.
What are you
Just
doing?
trying out some new hot chocolate. So we've got a sample of a mint hot chocolate we're trying out right now. And believe it or not, we've been really busy. We've been really busy, which is great because obviously because of the storm situation we couldn't work on Friday, but look at the cake counter now. Looking pretty good.
Windy still today,
Very
though.
windy, yeah. Need to get I need to get a microphone muffler for the camera because all you can hear is all the time, so I'm going to try and get that sorted out.
How's your hot chocolate, John?
Oh, it's very nice actually. Very nice indeed. It's subtle, the mint's subtle, but that's good because it's not over sweet. You can flavour hot chocolates with syrup, but then they've got a lot of sugar in, and we don't want that extra sugar going in, so this is a brilliant alternative to that.
We're living quick in this world, gonna get it right now. We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us together. 'Cause we got love. 'Cause we got love.
Amazing. I don't know what you put in them, but you'll do them again. Thank you. That's all right.
Bye Alex, bye.
You know we met for a reason, but you tried to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather.
It's time to say goodbye.
So that's Sunday done. Well, almost. We've got 5 minutes to go, but I think that's probably it. We're gonna tidy up.
We started tidying up already.
Really windy again.
It's
though.
getting really bad, and it's quite frightening really how bad it's got quite quickly. So I think it's time to call it a day. Get everything packed away. Well, we can. We've been sort of flying coffee cups and flying bins for the last hour, haven't we? So yeah. So anyway, we're off to Bath tomorrow
Yeah, for your birthday.
for my birthday, which was
Friday.
on Friday. So
Take you with us.
yeah, we'll take you with us. How about that? Yeah, it'll be nice. Anyway, we will say
Bye-bye.
goodbye.
Bye.
You can also follow the Baking Bird UK on Facebook and on Instagram.
We got